Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to talk about Bluehost. So it is a very important thing to be that you have to understand now, because probably the best I will ever see and ever hear it. Bluehost official site, fast and easy secure hosting. So Bluehost is actually a good thing to understand related to it, and probably the best I would ever heard of. Now what you have to do, Bluehost is actually what it is for, WordPress hosting. You can use it for like as a hosting product. Bluehost Wonder suit WordPress made easy. Okay, so actually Bluehost is an important thing because things are absolutely up to mark. Okay, and like when you're using like things like this, and probably making it for your use, so you have to use a basic package for it. Fine. And yeah, that's important. Well, so the thing to understand is a proper things, and yeah, it is a very good thing to understand, especially for people like you and more about this. But when you keep it your domain simple, that's an important thing. Like if write for example test, so it will search a domain for me if the domain is available for me or not. Okay, here it is saying that mkttest.com is available, smarttestapp.com, testappsite.com. For example, if I want this one, I'll click simply include it, see continue. You have to fill out all of the details and paste it with your credit card here. So that's an important thing to understand really. That was today's video. Please like, share, and make sure to subscribe. Share with your friends, family members, so they can benefit from this WordPress hosting, the best hosting Bluehost you will ever see. Bye bye.